Thank you for choosing St. Paul's Guest Rooms, located at the University of Waterloo. The guest rooms are located at 190 Westmount Road North. If you're driving, take the college's entrance on Westmount Road. Just look for the St. Paul's Globe and take the driveway to the left towards the St. Paul's parking area. If you have requested parking, the guest room parking spaces are located along the front row of the parking lot facing the field. If arriving during regular business hours, please proceed to Student and Guest Services to pick up your pack and any information. If you are coming in after regular business hours, you will do a self-check-in using the 4-digit code that was provided to you in the email confirmation. First, use the 4-digit code followed by the number sign on the outdoor pin pad to enter the building. Then punch in the same 4-digit code followed by the number sign in the safe located in the front entrance in order to receive your keys. Please only take the package that has your name on it. If you do not see an envelope with your name or the name of the person the booking was made under, please call our staff at 519-591-8994 for assistance after hours, or see the front desk during business hours. Remember, check-in is not until 2 p.m. on the day of your booking. Inside your envelope, you will find a copy of your invoice, receipt, your meal tickets if applicable, your parking pass, and your blue room key fob. The blue key fob allows you access to the front doors of the building as well as the green wing floor. If you ask for a parking pass, please take the pass out and put it on the dashboard of your vehicle, which should be parked in the front row of the lot, indicated by a blue H on the ground. To get to your room, turn to your right from the front entry and follow the corridor all the way until the last hallway on your left. From there, proceed through the hallway and 2 sets of doors. You will pass the seminar room and the elevator. Keep going until you see the guest room hallway. There are maps and signs along this route to guide you. Once you arrive at your room, put the blue fob up to the electronic deadbolt sensor. The light will turn green and turn the deadbolt to unlock. Inside your room, you will find a twin bed or queen bed as requested, cable TV, Wi-Fi password and instructions, bar fridge, microwave, ironing board, and a hairdryer. Extra pillows can be found in the dresser, and extra blankets are available upon request. To lock your door when leaving, put the fob up to the electronic deadbolt sensor again and turn the lock in the opposite direction of when you open the door. To check out during regular business hours, please bring your fob to Student and Guest Services. If checking out before business hours, please deposit your key in the drop box in the front foyer lobby. Checkout is 10 a.m. Regular business hours are 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. We hope that you enjoyed your stay here at St. Paul's Guest Rooms, and we hope that you come back soon.